In this exercise, we will learn the perspective crop tool. Basically, the perspective crop tool is used to crop images and give it the correct distortion. And we can simply straighten our image by using the perspective crop tool. Okay, let's see how this tool works. I have opened an image, and if I move my arrow key on the toolbar and right-click on the crop tool, we can see the perspective crop tool underneath the crop tool. We can also press Shift and C on the keyboard to select this tool. Okay, I have selected this tool, and let's say if I want to crop this brown-shaped piece of wood, and I should straighten it after cropping it. So now if I click on this corner, and I click on this corner, and you can see something like a grid or mesh view. Okay, click on this corner and click on this corner. Now the image is selected. Okay, let's talk about its control options. Above here is width, and we can change the width, and here is the height, and we can change it, and it is perfect. So we will not change it. We can also increase and decrease the resolution from here. We can also change pixels in pixels or pixels in centimeters, and this is the front image. It is the default. So we can clear the width and the height setting by clicking on this button. Okay, next we have Shown Grid option. You can switch it by checking this mark on or off for a better view. And next, if we want to cancel this selection, we click on this. And if we are in agreement, then click on this check mark, OK. Click on this option and see what happens. Boom! We have cropped this image and straightened the image into a flat angle. I think this is the best tool to crop and straighten images. Okay, in the next exercise we will learn the slice tool.